Hi you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ivy and today we're going to be talking about this wig, as you can see in the title, that I got from Aliexpress. I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys what it looks like after I styled it and put it on. You know what I'm saying? Like right now. So yes, keep watching for more of that. So my package came, I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna open it and show you guys what's inside. I just don't want to show you the outside because you know my address is on it or whatever. So
cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see.
Hey, so I was not expecting a wig, the wig cast. There are 2 in each pack, and these 2 eyelashes. That is amazing. I guess they send it as a bonus, as a gift or whatever. This is really cute and really cute. Oh my god.
But I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me.
So what's up you guys, I have on the black wig right now and I'm just gonna show you guys how that looks on. I passed a flat iron through it a little bit, and I, you know, of course I put heating spray on it and stuff like that and just glued on. So this is what it looks like. I am not the best. I just really started like gluing the wig onto my head myself. Well, not myself, I just say period. I just started like not gluing, but you know, putting the stocking cap and trying to do all of that stuff. So yeah. Let me give you guys a view from the back. I'm doing it like, y'all know what I mean. But anyways, I'm gonna flip the camera around so y'all can see like what it looks like better, I guess. Because the front camera, I'm not sure if it's as good as the back camera. So I'm just gonna flip it around. Ooh, so yeah, you guys go. This is like a, I think this is a little bit better look too. Like you can see what it looks like. I really like it. I feel like it's just a really good hair. I'm sorry I like didn't show you guys everything, like everything for me doing it and putting it on, but I didn't really know how to do hair like that, like put it on. So I'm like, what's the point of teaching somebody to do something I don't know how to do? So I just wanted to like show you guys like what it looks like and stuff like that, because you know, just in case you want to order it. It's really good hair. Like, it's really. So this is more of a front view. This is what I hope to be a better view because it's the back camera. Show you guys what it looks like. See if I can come closer to it. I'm saying. And look at that. Oh man, I'm having fun with this hair. I feel like James. I feel like I'm in a James Bond movie, like James Bond. Anyways, yeah, this is the first time I'm installing this wig. Like today is the first time I'm installing this one in particular. I haven't like worn it yet, like worn it anyway yet. I just like wanted to install it because you know I got something to do tomorrow, something I'm gonna do it from today. So I have to do tomorrow. Oh, by the way, I was gonna the ginger one. Should I show you guys me installing the ginger one? Comment down below if y'all want to see me installing the ginger one. Like, I'm gonna like do, maybe I'll do more with the ginger one. Like, I've worn it before. I'm really straight with you, the ginger wig. Anyways, if you want to see more on the ginger wig, like, I must show you guys the ginger wig obviously in this video. I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like out the bag, and I'm gonna show you the pictures of me wearing the ginger wig. But if you want to see more like of the ginger wig, like, comment down below and let me know, and I'll make a video of me like styling the ginger wig back again and like, you know, putting it back on my head. And maybe if you get this, you know, video up to like, I don't know, maybe 50 likes. I'm a simple person. 50. I'll do an installment video, a wig installment video. Even though I'm gonna let you guys know from right now. Look somewhere else because I'm a beginner, completely beginner at this. Like, there's some flaws right now. There's some flaws. I'm gonna be real. But if you want to see that, I'll do it. I'm sorry. Stay tuned for more video and stay tuned for my next video, which is gonna be some haul videos from some places that I went shopping. You know, so I'll show you guys some outfits besides this one. It's an fashion forward little piece right here. Anyways, yeah, so please like and subscribe to my channel for more stuff. Definitely more is coming. Definitely I'm not letting 2022 go by because I know I have my channel for a while. I keep saying more stuff, and more don't come, but I'm trying to do more in 2022, so be more confident. I'm 29, so that's good.